Hi everyone, this is Emily from Amitime team. Today I'm excited to introduce our EcoSTAR Pro series, our second generation of R290 residential hip hop to you. And having launched the first generation in 2021, this updated version showcases exceptional performance. In this video, I will walk you through its important data and explain why it's an excellent choice for you. The system supports heating, cooling, and domestic hot water supply, with hot water temperature reaching up to 75 Celsius degrees. We have 4 types of monoblock system for choice. First, full monoblock model, only an outdoor unit. Second, monoblock model plus electric box as an indoor unit. And third, monoblock model plus hydrobox as an indoor unit. And last one, monoblock model plus buffer tank and water tank as a whole indoor unit. This is also what we call all-in-one. Now here are some reasons to choose EcoSTAR Pro. First of all, EcoSTAR Pro is very high efficient and energy saving. The series was developed with enhanced component, structural design, refrigerant system, control logic, and performance testing. The SCOP can reach up to 5.3, and entire series can achieve AAA ratings. Secondly, let's talk about its premium components. From the outside, it adopts the premium metallic casing, and from the inside, the main components are all from reliable brands to ensure reliable performance. Take the noise control as an example. Thanks to the good DC fan motor, well-insulated compressor, and optimal design of the air duct system, the sound power level is as low as 50 dBA. The system operates silently for a very comfortable user experience. Last but not least, it has smart control function. Users can control it by panel, remote controller, and app. Connection is supported by both 4G and Wi-Fi. Our 7-inch touchscreen is equipped with a high-def panel, and it's refreshingly smooth for operation. Through the powerful display, users can monitor the system status and control the setting easily. It is very friendly. So if you are looking for a high-end R290 residential hip hop solution, just consider Amitime's EcoSTAR Pro series. Thank you.